placemat is towel, newspaper.
Say hi, Praise.
Hi,
How are you?
How are you? How are you?
Give this to Praise. Say, this is for you, Praise.
It's for you, Grace. Wow, this is yummy.
Not for Philip. It's for praise.
For Grace. For Grace.
Oh, look at the calamansi. Uy, yan na. Ang dami namin calamansi.
This is my mother.
Hello. Isa lang pitasan, ang daming bunga.